Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today we'll be talking about 5 tips and tricks on how to make more money driving for Postmates. Tip number 1, do not use the debit card. I know they'll tell you, oh, you gotta use the debit card once you receive it so you can pick up more orders and you might think you might make more money. But the issue is with a debit card, it actually wastes more time because some orders you have to actually go in and order yourself, or if you go to a department store or a grocery store, you have to go look for the items and pay for it and take a photo of the receipt. That wastes too much time, at least 30 minutes. Don't do that. Tip number 2, only do Postmates during the promotion times. You can check your promotions on your app to see how much they're going to be paying you within a certain time frame. For me, in my area, it's lunchtime. Usually it's from 10:30 a.m. to 1:30 p.m. And then for dinner, it's 4:30 to 9:30 p.m. That's dinner times. And try to do deliveries during those times. You can also divide the payout with the hours and number of deliveries to see how much you're getting paid per delivery to see if it's worth it. Tip number 3, usually in my area, it's the busiest times are from Thursday to Sunday for deliveries. I notice Monday, Tuesday is probably the slowest times, so I'll probably be posting more YouTube videos or working on my other businesses instead of doing Postmates or other delivery apps. So you gotta check out in your area what times and days are the best time to do deliveries so you can allocate the other times to better things. Tip number 4, be careful of scams and phishing. So actually when I first started with Postmates, I actually got hacked, and the scammer took over $400. Give more details on that in the next video. So just, if they ever call you about, them being Postmates, just ignore it. Don't listen to them, because they usually communicate with you only with email. Okay. Tip number 5, set up a keyboard shortcut on your phone, so it'll be easier to just send out a quick note to your customer. I'm waiting for the order. Just click WA, send it, so it's fast, so they'll know that you're already at the restaurant. Shortcuts to improve your communication with your customer, so there's higher chance they'll tip you more, because you actually make at least probably 20%, 30% of your money, if not more, from tips. Okay, because you want that tip. Okay, if you have any other questions or comments, please type it down below, and remember to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.